Sing, 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 sing. Sing your English.
Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Sing Your English class. Today, I will teach you a chant. Please watch me. 1, 2, 3, 4. Come on and hit the floor. I'm glad you're here today. Hooray, hooray, hooray! Got it? Let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Come on and hit the floor. I'm glad you're here today. Hooray, hooray, hooray!
Hello everyone! I want to ask you, how's the weather today? Apa, cuaca hari ini? Can you look outside and see how's the weather today? Bisa kamu pergi di luar dan lihat bagaimana cuaca hari ini? What is your favorite weather? Cuaca apa yang favorit kalian? Is it sunny, cerah, or is it cloudy, berawan? Is it rainy, hujan, atau windy, berangin? Our lesson for today is about weather atau cuaca. Our weather for today is sunny atau cerah. Tada! What is the weather for today? Very good. Sunny. Let's spell together. Sunny. S-U-N-N-Y. Sunny. Who likes a sunny day? Siapa suka hari yang cerah? What do you like to do on a sunny day? Apa yang kamu suka melakukan hari yang cerah? I'll show you some pictures on a sunny day. Picture number 1. Gambar pertama. How's the weather in this picture? What are they doing? Very good. Swimming in the beach. Mereka berenang di pantai. Picture number 2. How's the weather in this picture? What are they doing? Very good. Picnic in the park atau picnic di taman. Picture number 3. How's the weather in this picture? What are they doing? Washing and drying of clothes. Mencuci dan mengeringkan pakaian. Wow, very good. Now, let's read the word sunny 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Sunny, sunny, sunny. Good job!
Let's sing a song. The title of the song is Today is Sunny.
Today is sunny. Today is sunny. Today is sunny. The sun is up. Today is sunny. Today is sunny. Today
poem is today is sunny. Listen first and then later you will follow Miss Honey. When I walk outside, I look with my eyes. Now I can see that today is sunny. Sunny. When I see the big sun, I can say that the weather is sunny. The sun is up and it is so hot. Have you read it already? Now I will translate it in bahasa Indonesia. Ketika saya berjalan di luar, saya melihat dengan mata saya. Sekarang saya melihat hari ini adalah cerah. Cerah. Ketika saya melihat matahari yang besar, saya bisa katakan cuaca adalah cerah. Matahari terbit dan itu sangat panas. You can also recite it using sunglasses. Today is sunny. When I walk outside, I look with my eyes. Now I can see that today is sunny. Sunny. When I see the big sun, I can say the weather is sunny. The sun is up and it is so hot. See, you can do it. Now I will teach you how to make a good job applause. Okay. Good job.
I hope you enjoy our class today. Now it's time to say goodbye. I will teach you another chant.